WriteText.ai Single gives e-commerce site owners, content writers, and marketing departments a tool that utilizes the power of artificial intelligence to generate page titles, meta descriptions, product descriptions, open graph text, and image alt text. For this video, we have set up several sample made-up products in Shopify. All products inside Shopify are automatically shown in the WriteText.ai interface. As you can see, the WriteText.ai interface seamlessly blends into Shopify. To generate text for a product, simply select the product by clicking the product name. As the product details are loaded, you will notice certain labels from Step 1 to Step 6. Ideally, you will follow these steps to maximize the features of WriteText.ai. You can click the Hide Step Guides at the bottom of the screen to hide the labels. The first step is to do keyword analysis. WriteText.ai has a new AI-powered keyword analysis tool built in. This advanced tool provides you with SERP data, competitor keywords, and keyword ideas designed to give your business a competitive edge and enhance your SEO strategy. To begin, click Start AI-powered keyword analysis to initiate the process. You'll see that WriteText.ai is retrieving SERP data, checking potential competitors, gathering keyword ideas, and finally getting the results ready for you. If it's the first time you're doing this on your site, WriteText.ai will fetch data on keywords you're currently ranking for across your domain. When you move to the next product, you'll then readily see ranking data if they're available for your page. For demonstration purposes, our test site will not have ranking keywords, but typically you'd see keywords you're ranking for here. Now, let's move to keywords your competitors are ranking for. If your page isn't ranking for any keywords and you haven't added target keywords, WriteText.ai will use your product name to suggest competitor keywords and ideas. If you find a valuable keyword for you, click the plus sign to add it as a target keyword. These keywords will appear in the Keywords to be included in your text section. You can also manually add specific keywords. For example, I want to target living room essential, so I'll add it here. Then click Refresh Data to update search volume, difficulty, and get keyword ideas for your manually added keywords, as well as the keywords you selected above. We'll add it as a target keyword. As you add target keywords to be included in your text, you can click Refresh Data to update SERP data, competitor keywords, and keyword ideas. Now that we've refreshed the data here, you will see that the keywords we've added are now underlined, which means SERP or Search Engine Results Page Overview is now available. Click on the keyword to see which sites are ranking on the top 100 organic results for these keywords. Closing the keyword analysis drawer, Step 2 is where you can select up to 10 semantic keywords that you want to be considered in generating the text as well. Semantic keywords are conceptually related terms to your keywords, and they help enrich your text so search engines can understand it better. WriteText.ai generates up to 5 semantic keyword ideas for each of your main target keywords. Step 3 is where you select the attributes you want to be considered in generating the text. WriteText.ai will take the value of the attributes you select and try to incorporate them in the text. The more detailed and well-set your attributes are, the better the generated texts will be. The Other Product Details section lets you write any other information that can provide more context to your product. In this example, we added mid-year sale 10% off. You can also add other attributes that are not present in your existing attributes list. WriteText.ai will try to include that in the text. As you will see, it will incorporate the details naturally, sometimes rewriting what you added without losing its meaning. You can also select the product image to allow WriteText.ai to analyze it and create more contextually relevant and precise product descriptions. Step 4 is to select tone, style, and audience. As you can see, there are a lot of tones and styles to choose from. WriteText.ai also allows you to define your own specific custom tone and style. In the audience dropdown, you can choose who your product's targets are from these predefined options. WriteText.ai will also suggest more specific target markets. If you have your own description of your ideal audience, you can also write that in here. Note that you can select as many audiences as you want. Finally, we get to Step 5, where you will actually generate the text. You can select specific text types or generate text for everything all at once. As the text is being generated, you can see WriteText.ai writing the text into the fields on the left side of the workspace. The text is not visible in your live site at this point, so you have the option to review it and make edits. You will also notice the red tab Not Transferred, indicating that the text has not been sent over to your live site. WriteText.ai can also generate alt text for product images. Alt text, or alternative text, is used to describe images on websites, helping visually impaired users understand the content through screen readers and improving SEO by making images searchable. Before the text is transferred to Shopify, you have the option to make small edits and improvements. Transferring the text to Shopify is easy. You can either transfer one text type by clicking the green button between the Write Text and Shopify text boxes, or you can click the button Transfer selected to Shopify. To demonstrate how WriteText.ai works, we will now open the live product page. The meta title, meta descriptions, product descriptions, open graph text, and image alt text are now live. Finally, we'll quickly look how WriteText.ai and Shopify works together. Here you can see the product description, and further down below is the page title and the meta descriptions, all generated and transferred from WriteText.ai.